Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. We've got a Mercedes-Benz here with the actual LED lights that the customer purchased for us to install. Let me put the light on. If you look at the actual, this is the strip right here. This strip here was installed by the customer. So what we've done, we had to actually figure out the wiring harness because there was no wiring diagram given to us. So we actually, on this system here, so we had to actually make up our own wiring harness here to run it to the other side to get power from the cigarette lighter on the left hand side here on the bottom, so we can have power and earth from there, and the rest was wired up to the actual right hand side signal light, and the only one we had to run extra wire was to run to the left hand side signal light because everything is there. But everything is all wired up now. We're just tightening up the wiring harness to make it look nice and to stop any kind of short to the body. But for now we're going to test it, so we're going to just put it down for now, and I'll just get you to actually go in the car. Ned. And then I'm just going to hold the lid down, put the ignition on. Yep. So this is the parking light. That's the parking light there coming on. Okay, hit the brakes. That's the brake light. All right. Left hand side turn signal. That's a left hand side turn signal. Okay, right hand side turn signal. Okay, hit the brakes. There's the brakes. All right, put the parkers on. Parking light. Parking light, yeah. Turn the indicator off. Parking light. Parking light. All right, there's your. Looks pretty nice on the Mercedes. It's got a little wire to go there. There's not much we can do about that, but customer's already installed the light for us. He just wanted us to do the wiring for him. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.